So when you go to start the vehicle without the code, the vehicle will start up, and as soon as you select a gear, it will stall. This will stop someone from driving away if your keys are cloned or stolen. So you select your gear, vehicle stalls. So to drive it normally, what you got to do, ignition on, pop your code in. So we've done 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody, start it and select your gear. Select the gear and the car stays running so you can drive away. If the customer wants to change the code, first you've got to turn the system on, disarm it with the code, then press any button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, back on. Get 5 bleeps. Now put the new code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat that code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a new code learnt. So if you want to take the car for a service, don't want to give them the code or the phone, just say you do it. Ignition on, pop the code in. Now press any button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off and back on, you get 2 bleeps. So this car's now in service mode, so you can start it up, select a gear, no need for a code. They can drive it around the workshop, work on it, service it like it's a normal car and it doesn't exist. When you get the car back and you want it protected again, ignition on, pop your code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bleeps, this car's protected again.